We keep them busy. Now they want to actually make money too. They asking for too much. They're asking for too much. Pick up the order, drop it off. That's all you got to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you just got off work, trying to get you something to eat, right? You get down, you park your car in the parking garage. You go up the flight of stairs or the elevator to your downtown high-rise apartment, right? And you waiting on your DoorDash order. Well, we got a customer who got a little surprise on their DoorDash order. Not only do you got to worry about the dasher eating your food, not only do you got to worry about the merchant getting your food order wrong, you got to worry about Master Splinter tampering with your food when it arrived. Listen, to all my customers out there, if you live downtown and there might be a rodent issue, if you live in an apartment building and it has a rodent issue, I would highly recommend that you refrain from selecting leave at door, because ain't no way I would have lost my entire mind if my order would have been sitting on the ground like that, knowing that I have a rodent problem either in the streets surrounding my place or in my place. That's just a whole nother topic for another video. Because look, where you choose to stay is your decision. I know everybody's circumstance is different, but I ain't dealing with no mice and no roaches. It is not happening. I ain't dealing with that. But this customer obviously is, because look, this rat got some meat on his bones, bro. This ain't his first DoorDash order he done stole. It ain't no way. Look at the size of that rat. Bro, this is crazy. And I'm talking about he all up on the side of the Chick-fil-A cup. Like, that is horrible. That rat is literally the whole size of that Chick-fil-A order, bro. I'm so disgusted by looking at this. Oh my goodness. Just imagine. You get your DoorDash order and it just got all bite and nibble marks all on the side of it, bro. I would literally throw up right then and there. Master Splinter say, hey, hold on. I got 4-5 Ninja Turtles to feed down in this sewer. You finna have to come off of some of this DoorDash order. Oh, leave that door? Say no more. I'm about to go ahead and taste this drink. I'm gonna go ahead and grab me a couple of these waffle fries, grab a couple of these chicken nuggets, and you can have the rest. I can just imagine. It's probably 2-3 generations worth of rats that just know. All you gotta do is just post up at nighttime, wait for that DoorDash driver to pull up, drop that order off. You know they have new drivers every single day. So you gotta imagine this is a reoccurring thing if these rats are comfortable enough to go up to the top of the steps in that small time frame that you have from the DoorDash driver dropping off the order to the customer coming out and get it. Because you gotta imagine, this customer probably wanted it left at their door inside the building. Maybe they didn't leave a code. Maybe this dasher was brand new. Maybe this DoorDash driver had no brain cells at all whatsoever from the beginning. But the fact of the matter is, it's a very small window of opportunity for Master Splinter and his associates to get up the top of them steps and get that order. Because from the time you drop off that order to the time the customer come get it, it ain't gonna be that much time. Especially if you see that picture on your phone and it look like the outside of your building versus your front door, you definitely gonna be, getting down there double time. I would imagine. So look, this is my recommendation to all my downtown customers, all my customers that live in New York, downtown St. Louis, downtown LA, downtown wherever. You might have a rat population in your downtown situation that you can't do nothing about. You might have a super clean building that has the right preventative measures set up to where those rodents can't even get access to your building. I understand this may be the case. But if you're getting DoorDash ordered to your building and you selecting leave at door, and you're not leaving a code for them to get in, you're not leaving the proper things that they need to do for them to facilitate that order safely for you, then you need to go ahead and do something differently. Maybe switch it up to hand to me. I don't even like hand to me orders, but in this case, I would gladly hand you the order if it prevents a rat, Master Splinter. You know what I'm saying? If it prevents him from getting a hold of your food, if it prevents Chuck E. Cheese from getting a hold of your food, I would gladly do a hand to me then. Guys, this is just ridiculous. This is a bad look for the Dashers, for sure. Bad look for DoorDash. And you know this customer was not happy. So it's just bad rating for the customer. Bad rating for the driver. Customer pissed off, and it's a bad look for Doordash. So we got to work together as a community, customer, driver, and Doordash, to do better to facilitate these kind of deliveries and stop this from happening. Because listen, Master Splinter, Chuck E. Cheese, and them, they eating. They gonna get they fill. Look at the size of this rat. Look at the size of this rat. Ain't no way you can tell me that this rat ain't had 3-course meals a day. Three full meals every day. Ain't no way you can tell me that. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm about to go ahead and go grab me a Chick-fil-A DoorDash order. And if it's a hand to me, I won't even lose my mind. Because after seeing this, it could be so much worse than having to hand the customer. You could be pulling up to a location where they have an underground rat population. Ain't nothing you could do about it. Let me know if you've ever encountered anything like this, being out there doing DoorDash. And also leave a comment below what you would do if you seen some bite marks on the side of your Chick-fil-A sweet tea, or on the side of your Chick-fil-A chicken nugget box. Boy, I'd be hot. I'd be done lost my mind. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you want to see more reaction videos to either screenshots of crazy things or videos, send them to me in my email, dashingtraderfda@gmail.com. Stop playing with me. And you better like and subscribe and share this video. What? Think I'm making these videos for free? Hell nah. This shit take time and energy and editing and all that. See you in the next one. We got a 7-minute